Hey there folks, back at you with another video. Done tool haul. It's been a while. This is what I accumulated over the last month here, so let's get over this, see what we got. So please like and subscribe, helps the channel out a lot and don't cost nothing. Let's get past the intro, let's get into this. Alright, well, I got me a couple things from Cornwell and from Snap-on. Got me this Lyle just like a race driving kit right here, and it's got the air hammer attachment with it, as you can tell, and it's got the bigger races in there, or the bigger drivers in there, which, you know, I've got this one right here. I know it's a Harbor Freight, but it's done me pretty good. But it only goes up to 81 millimeter. And I found me plenty of times where I want to have something bigger. So instead of grabbing a socket or something like that, I wanted to have this set right here. Been eyeing it already for a while. It's the 12800 from Lyle. And like I said, this is the big one, goes up to, don't even say the size. Uh, 4.6 right there. So yeah, it'll come in handy for sure. So we got that. I've got this Lyle brake caliper compressor. I wanted to have something that was a little better, so got that off the Cornwell truck as well. Already used it a couple times. It's handy to have. And then also got me another UV light. This is the small one. Got this from a Cornwell guy as well. USB rechargeable. It's a nice little light. Let's see if I can get this open here real quick. So here it is. Give me 1 second here, guys. It's pretty bright. Here's the thing. It's Mexian 364. So yeah, the old snotty one I used to have is going to be replaced by this one right here. That'll come in handy. And I've got this blowgun. I've been using the snot out of it, and I really like it a lot. So I've got me the big one from Cornwell as well. It will come in handy, or the long one. So yeah. And then from Blue Point, from the Snap-on guy, you had this one here. I'm just going to try it. I think I like that one a little better, but we'll see. This one here comes with glasses. And there's the part number for this kit. He had it on sale, so did have to warranty me one of these extractors here. I twisted the top plumb off, so that's a warranty one right there. And I finally got me the big mirror. There's the part number on that, GA53A. Already had the small one, so now we got the bigger one. This is the ones that you can move the mirror with. And then it's got a locking feature on it as well, so it'll come in handy for sure. And then I got me the UTK 150. This is the auto reload. So if you push this here, you pull this out and then you retract it back. Let me see if we can do this. So there you go. That one is dull. Suck this one back in and it's reloaded. I think it holds like 5 knives in there. Oh, sorry. Something like that. So yeah. This will come in handy. It's nice for opening out boxes and cutting the hose or something or another. So price wasn't too bad on it. So yeah. That's my tool haul between Snap-on and Cornwell. So yeah. That's it. So please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot and don't cost nothing. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.